Hi, Omega Chaos here again, and this is my new deck update of my Runity Stars Diagonal Submod deck. This is pretty much this year's last deck update because I will put the deck aside uh, for now to focus on other decks, what I'm working on and all that. So yeah, here it goes. First the monsters. Two Stars Diagonal Submod, of course. This is pretty much the key card, the main card, which you are going to bring out as quickly as possible, because if you get this card out, you are pretty much on your way to your win. But if you get even somehow get two out, then that's pretty much auto win, because they can't really get over that. Then triple Dragonitic Tux. It's another key card of your combo. Then to Dragonitic Legionnaire. Pretty good card. You need it as a backup if you somehow run out of Tuxis, or you use Legionnaire plus Dragonic Diablis combo. Then main tuner of the deck, Dragonic Phalanx, another key card. One Dragonic Diablis for the combo with the Dragonic Legionnaire. Then one Sephiroth Elite Blackwing. You can make some really good combos with this card. Then to search out the summon activate, you need 3 Assault Beast. Then the spells. Triple Dragon Wine, search out your monsters, Dragonitis, very neat card. Then 3 Terraforming to search out your Dragon Wine, you need it as quickly as possible. Then 2 Gods of Consonance for the draw power. 1 Botfire Ice, that's really good card if you have, because in this deck you get monsters to the graveyard pretty fast. Then 2 Forbidden Lands to protect your monsters. The stables, Mastrigorn, Dark Heavy Storm, and 2 Miska Space Dolphin. And the traps, 2 are summoned activate, obviously, just bring out Stars Diagonal Submod, 1 Swan Judgment, and 2 Swan Warning, Swan Brigade, 1 Mirror Force, 2 Dimensional Prison. The last card of the main deck, Star Road. It's really good. It pretty much won me the last tournaments match, and because of that I won the tournament. With this deck I have won about 5 local tournaments, so it has served me pretty well. Then the extra deck. 1 Giant Dragon for the auto carry. Superstar Dragon. Obviously, you need them to bring out some kind of soft mode. Then 1 Scrap Dragon. really good level 8 synchro, 1 Colossal Fighter, 1 4 Trial Archfiend, then to Dragonite Night Vasana, just another key card of the deck. Actually, I need one more, but I still don't have because they're really expensive, about $20 each. So, 1 Kyanite, the Force of Earth, 1 Magical Android. It should be a Destined Hybrid Array, but yeah, I don't have it yet. Then 1 Yellow Trash Cutster, and the only Xyz monster is number 39 Utopia. So this was my deck update of my Dramedy Stars and Summer deck. So yeah, for this year at least, I will not play with this deck, but I will keep the cards and all that. Yeah, soon I will make another deck profile of my new decks. So yeah, goodbye.